Okay, so what I did was I had a look at my test, and Brandon, you should listen here as well. I can go through this with you tomorrow, but I went through the test and pulled out exactly what you need to be able to do. So there's some basic friction theory, stuff like, friction's always opposite the motion, parallel, independent of the area. It's that sort of handout that I gave you, right? There was a skier, I think, on the front page or something, right? So some basic friction theory. You will have to draw a free body diagram, probably more than one. Could be as a multiple choice. I could give you 4 and say, okay, which one is the correct one, something like that. There will be a basic net force. There was that worksheet with Darth Vader on it, right? So you got an applied force to the right, you got a friction force to the left, something like that. It could also be something like this, what I call like a top-down kind of problem, where you're looking top-down, and you've got a force to the west, and you've got a force to the north, something like that. In this case here, which way would friction force be? You'd have to add those vectors together. It would be like that. Were there any like that on that worksheet? Probably, I think, right? Yeah. So it might be something like that. Or both, I guess. Right? There will be a simple friction flat one like this, where the normal, or the weight force and the normal force are equal to each other, and there would be a mu value. It's basically like this one, except I'm not giving you friction force, I'll give you the mu value. Right? And then there'll be probably 2 ramp questions, one with friction, one without. That's what those abbreviations mean. With friction and without friction. And remember, the components of friction on a ramp are Fd, which is equal to mg sine theta, and Fn, which is equal to mg cos theta. Okay, so that's what's on the test on Thursday. I do want, and I guess I need it really tomorrow, I saw you guys working on it. I do want this hand in here prior to that, just to prove to me that you're ready, kind of thing. No one, Keith, you guys handed this in there the other day. I haven't got to it yet, but okay. And you guys are going to hand that into the lab? Okay. Okay. Any questions about what's on Thursday then? And again, it's your choice. If you want to leave it and postpone it to after, we'll just tack on the last couple questions and go from there.